Florence Parly, French Defense Minister, has welcomed the delivery of the first O-Nyx night vision binoculars to the 21st Marine Infantry Regiment based in Fréjus. Designed by Thales, these binoculars benefit from improved resolution and a wider field of vision. These new binoculars will allow soldiers to better progress in darkness and will replace the Lucy binoculars that are currently in use. Its objective for 2020 is to supply the French Army with 3,179 binoculars. The rest of the order will be delivered in 2021. Several thousand additional copies are expected to be delivered by 2025. These night vision binoculars will eventually equip all three services. According to Florence Parly, the protection of the combatant is one of the priorities of her policy. Indeed, the goal for 2025 is to deliver 96,800 pieces of light equipment.